Hey, what is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back again to TechCaran YouTube channel. Many of the users are using MIUI, some users don't want to lose MIUI, and we have some customizations present for you. As you can see at my home screen, the UI is actually customized and you can even customize your device UI. The best thing is this is a module, or you can say LS Post module, which you can try out on your device and you can customize on any of your Xiaomi device. Basically it's for those which MIUI does not have any kind of customizations for you. We are talking about a MIUI Home Magisk module, or you can say LS Post module, which you can try out on a device, rooted device. If your device has root Magisk installed, then you'll be able to use this. Some customizations includes these options: enable blur in search box. You can see I have already enabled this. You can customize the dock settings, always show the status bar clock. Basically the customizations which you get in custom MIUizer are already present here, but custom MIUizer has better customizations honestly, but this one is not so bad. A lot of things are improving day by day. This is a very good choice for you. You can reset to default settings if you're having any kind of issues, or if you have accidentally placed or enabled or disabled something which don't like it. As you can see, you can customize everything. I have restored the default UI and you can see there are no labels at these app icons, etc., and you can enable or disable these options directly from settings. For example, if you move on to the settings option, more option, and you have the module settings at the top, click this and you have all these MIUI home settings available for you. The version I'm using here while making this video 4.0.8, which is the latest version while making this video, but a lot of updates are coming for this, so yes, you can check it out. I'll provide you the link for this thing, and every guide is already available there in my this video. You can check it out and you can follow the procedure how to install this thing. I'm gonna share with you the installation procedure too, so make sure to watch this. And these are some basic settings, advanced settings you get here in this module. The thing is how to install this. This is one of the main things. Customizations of course you can explore after installing this. We are talking about this module called MIUI Home hook for MIUI launcher. One thing, keep in mind that this is a module for LS Post, and if you don't know how to install LS Post, a dedicated video already available on my channel. I will provide you in the I button, or even you can check out my description, or you can check out my channel, or you can check out the comment box. Everywhere I will definitely provide you the link for LS Post guide, that how you can install this LS Post. You can see it's activated right now. Repository, everything is there. Even LS Post is also updated. I will try to make a video on that too, because it's updated. A lot of things have been improved. We're gonna talk about that later on in another video, but right now not in this. How to install LS Post, as I previously mentioned, I'll provide you the video for that. But to install LS Post, of course, make sure you have root, because if you have root, then you are good to go. And if you don't have root, then you need to root your device with Magisk latest version. In Magisk you need to install LS Post, and in LS Post you need to enable MIUI Home. Little bit complicated, but when you install that, then you might not face any kind of difficulties. Very simple thing. These were things I just want to let you know. As you can see, you can install these things. The guide video is already available on description or everywhere. You can check it out. This is all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.